Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel, Philippine Expat Country Living. It's so nice here, guys. Nice feeling. The breeze is cold, different, fresh, and I can't express the ambience sa air. It's fresh, it's a little bit more siya na tugnaw gamay. So muni amo afternoon scenery. It's so cool to look at the green grass. It's finally turned back, not dying anymore, because we have a huge rain last, I think that was a few days ago, then last night too. So finally it is greeny now, and so nice the air here. We have a lot of shade. So my plants are alive again. So that's my a little square garden there. Coffee garden. Charot. So guys, thanks for watching everyone. So grabe talaga ang init dito, but if you're here, if you stand here underneath the trees, it is so nice feeling. It's not hot. So look at the sky, guys. Oh, there's a little clouds there, and it is mixed with the blue sky. It is so cool really to look at. So thanks everyone for watching. Thank you for your time. I'll be back later, guys. Wow, my, what's that, pandakakik plants. Mura siya lingin-lingin, pandakakik na siya, guys. Then the view there is fantastic. Okay, ito po ang yung lingkod. Just call me Beth Mitzler. Bye for now. Have a nice day, guys. It is Monday here, afternoon. God bless everyone.